What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today we're here with a 2022 Lucid Air Dream Edition, and we're at Electrify America with a 350 kilowatt DC fast charger. You know what that means. This won't be the most scientific test, being that the vehicle is charged to about 90%. However, we do want to see the initialization time, as well as how fast does it charge even at a high state of charge. Let's get it plugged in. We're going to open the charge port, pressing right down here. If it's unlocked. Just like that. Open the charge port, it reveals our J1772 and CCS port. And let me activate this Electrify America station. Yeah, no problem. We're going to activate the charger here on the Electrify America app, and we're on number 2. We're going to change from my ID4 charging plan to just to Electrify America Pass, and we're going to process payment there, initiating charging. Let's hop in the car. And preparing to charge. And apparently that didn't activate. We'll see if it wants to initialize charging. And authentication error. However, I think that's due to Electrify America, not due to the car. And now we are processing payment. That is a promising sign. Let's hop back in the car. And I heard contactors click on the unit. Let's see what we get. And we also have the same thing over here on this screen as well. And let's see what happens. Looks like we're at about 90% charge, and we're charge limit set all the way up. Oh, there we go. Wow. Went all the way up to about 75 and change kilowatt, and we're now at 60 kilowatt. It doesn't show a percentage view. Let's see if we can change that. I'll show you that here. And there we go. Now we're at 91%. I was able to change it. And we're getting 58 kilowatt, even at 91%. And while we unfortunately weren't able to charge it at a low state of charge to validate Lucid's claims on over 300 kilowatt on DC fast chargers, we were able to make sure that it does charge on Electrify America, and it pulled about 70 kilowatt, even at about 90%, which I would say is very impressive. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If you're in the market for a Lucid, you can road trip in it. Be sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button for more Lucid content, and let's get this unplugged. We're gonna hit the stop button here on the Electrify America station, and we should be able to just unplug. Button is not functioning yet. I haven't heard the contactors click off yet. Oh, the car's locked. That is why. And now we're able to unplug, now the car's locked. I do worry about this charge port and having the painted edge there. I think that will end up rubbing off over time. If you buy one of these, I'd probably recommend paint protection filming the charge door and wrapping over the top lift so that you don't end up with paint rubbed off. And that cost $2 for 6 minutes of charging, and we got 5 kilowatt hour. Not bad.